fucking recording or what? Right, my name's Tull, right, and me and the wife ran on holiday, right? And we got on the plane and the stewardess are lashing out the emergency procedure. In case of emergency, the oxygen masks are above your head. I thought, fair enough, I might need some fucking oxygen, you know.
It's only Tull, come on.
Then she turns round and says the fire exits are on your left and on your right. Well, at 40,000 feet in the Boston air, I'd rather not use a fucking fire exit. Thank you very much.
Now, I don't speak. I flew in the air wrapped in a sheet.
Hey, lad.
I'm a ghost trapped in a beat. I translate to my voice, he said, to a seismograph and the noise is spread. It's picked up and transmitted to Roger's head. I trap him in his room, possess him and watch his bed till evil and slow blood my cousin's dead. Holy shit, what the fuck's that? I didn't even know this front door, you know what I mean? Well, I come here today, praise the Lord, His good name, praise the Lord, His good name, because if loving the Lord is wrong, then I don't want to be right, yeah, well, what, from about fucking nowhere, what, get like friendly with everyone, and suddenly it's spilling away every time you run your fucking run. I'm fucking saying you to the banker that you and you are fucking out Bill. I don't tell you from anyone, you me ass, I I'm the one man on the planet that'll dive off the Grand Canyon, hop out of a Grand Dam and land in a handstand. Any man planning a battle gets snatched out of his clothes so fast it'll look like an invisible man standing. I'm heading for hell. I'd rather be dead or in jail. Bill Clinton, hit this, you read him in hell. Cause any MC that chooses to go against me is getting taken advantage of like Monica Lewinsky. Came home in a frenzy, pushing a 10-speed, screaming a hand tag. 3 spokes sticking out of my pant leg. Fuck a headache, give me a migraine, damn it I like pain. And you shouldn't be anywhere that I might gain. You rap, no, you whack. You whacked up and I'm throwing you down a flight of steps and then I'm tossing you back up them. Then I'm like the track, fuck them. The Mac struck them harder than get hit by a Mac truck that it backed up on. And any half-ass known rapper to trespass better be ready for the second celebrity death match. So tell the medic to bring the medication in quickly. I'm sicker than the Tupac dedication of Biggie. I'm free falling feet bursting out of a damn tree that stampedes your chest so you can't breathe. And when I'm down on my last breath, I'ma climb the Empire State Building, get to the last step and still have half left.
Did we do the sports
Yes. Anyways, my name's T.U.R.D.L.E. MC Tull, fucking wicked. Come on. Come on.